And happening right now, House Speaker Mike Johnson, he is speaking on Capitol Hill. This is ahead of a Senate vote on the federal funding bill. But we're going to move on right now to just how this is affecting various parts of the economy. Let's bring in CBS News MoneyWatch correspondent Kelly O'Grady again with the economic side of the shutdown. Kelly, good to see you today. We were supposed to get new jobs report this morning. Obviously, you talked about that the last time we spoke. That's now delayed. What is the economic concern if this shutdown continues?
Yeah, right. I'm at the New York Stock Exchange as I am normally on one of these days. And it's really interesting because the market, people seem to be looking past the fact that we are not getting a jobs report, that we are in a government shutdown. All three major indexes notched record highs, and they are all very much in the green today. So certainly not impacting investor confidence when it comes to the market. What's the impact of this government shutdown? I look at it a few different ways. One, of course, federal workers that are furloughed, even if they're going to get that back pay, or for those that may be permanently laid off, this is going to be really hard for people that are living paycheck to paycheck. They're going to have to dip into their savings. Then you have consumers that are relying on the government maybe for national flood insurance applications, for federal mortgages to be approved. There are going to be applications that impact your financial situation that are delayed. But of course, when it reopens, those things will bounce back. The big thing for me, Mugo, it does have to do with the fact that this jobs report is delayed. Now, we've talked about all this week. There's a couple of other reports that the Federal Reserve will rely on, the Challenger report, the ADP report, to get a picture of how the labor market is doing. But if you don't have data being collected, that's going to cascade a ripple effect for months to come. And yes, the Federal Reserve, we talk about interest rates all the time. That, I think, is where you might see the most economic impact for the regular consumer. Because if they get cautious, if they don't want to cut rates because they don't have that data to make an informed decision, then you might see that quarter-point rate cut, the 2 rate cuts, by the way, because the Fed also has another meeting after this one at the end of this month. They might be more cautious, and that means that folks who are waiting for those interest rate cuts at home may not see them this year. But, of course, this is very preliminary. The shutdown, we're not sure how long it's going to last, and so those are going to be conversations that the Fed is having at the end of this month, Mugo.
Yeah, another thing to wait and see on. Kelly O'Grady at the New York Stock Exchange for us today. Thank you.